It should be good in a sec here. Okay. Howdy ho, baby. Yodelay. Yodelay. Alrighty. Howdy, everyone. That was John Carpenter, 1978. Halloween themed music. Hopefully, you guys are doing great, having a great weekend. And I'm here hanging out with my boy Junior Coder. You guys, good here, and I can see the Twitch chat. That's our boy Junior Coder. He's helping me with doing a couple of things. Let me just maybe you can type in the general chat, like maybe I'll do a interesting general chat. So you can just text here. So if anybody is wondering, you don't have to share our personal stuff. Right? So there's a general chat, like, so you can just chat here. So we were talking about Cambridge School. Cambridge Court. Careful. Oh, CDSE school. Interesting. Okay. World School. I think this is the one, right? Oh, nice. International School. Let's went and K-12. Okay. Nice. Admission going on that. PFE online. $1 per share. Donated a sum of 21 lakhs to PM Care Fund as well as our museum for support efforts. No, okay, good. Infrastructure and facilities, robotics lab, nice. Smart class, air condition, bro. Our fan was like, just like the fan, right? Was like, I don't know, like 30 feet away from us. We could not like even touch it. Oh wait, let me share my screen. That's what. So you can see my screen, right? Now it should be good. Yeah, that's crazy. Like air conditioning, our fans were like 20 feet away. Diverse sports, swimming and stuff. Wow. We just had basketball. Nothing else. Computer labs, good. Large sports complex, nice. Child safety CCTVs are good. That's awesome, man. Associated with so many things. That's good. Oh, I was part of Science Olympiad Foundation. I did like got like top 3 a couple of times. So that was pretty good. During the school time. In the school. Nowhere outside. Tenet club, nice. That's cool, man. Give your child a room for a school. Hey, is that how the school looks? That's beautiful. Holy. Looks like fucking Wakanda school almost. Crazy. Nice, nice. Let's see. This is your school, right? You're saying Cambridge. Quarter one change. Nice. That's awesome. That's cool stuff. That's actually like I like the school already. Academics, lifelong learning. Nice. Nice. This is awesome, man. Like if you have this like some facilities, that's amazing. And it's good. I'm very happy. Like your parents put you in the right school. Good stuff. Awesome. Kudos, boy. Kudos. It's amazing. Sweet. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. But you can chat like here. If you see, if you go to the server, right? Now you can chat here. I'll just delete. Yeah. So it's next time. So if somebody else is watching, like, I have to see when's this coming out offline. Okay, now it's like, yeah, cool, cool. Alrighty. So let's get going. Couple of things, right? How to add, like, I want to see certain things, and it was in OpenGN. So let's start with a couple of things I want to do. First, I will do is heading. How to do a heading in this? Oh, there's task list too. So I can do maybe no. I have to go like this format paragraph task list. Okay. Okay. So I've done that part. I know maybe hotkey for camera. Okay, so start with sub batches and batches, basically adding batches. So any good thing, let's see. Batches for Twitch. Subscriber batch subscriber batch guide. When someone subscribes to your channel, they will get a subscriber chat badge. This is automatically displayed next to their name when they participate in your channel's chat. Okay. Want to make sure. Okay. As your subscriber accumulate this time subscribed to your channel, themes, etc., they will reach milestones that you can customize with further batches to thank them for continued support. Your earliest subscriber will also get a special badge. Founders badge. That's our boy Stimulus. Founders Badge is a subscriber badge that will exclusively available for the first 10 Prime or paid subscribers to affiliate channels and first 25 paid for the partner. Interesting thing is like if you have Prime, right? And if you can subscribe to multiple channels, I believe, right? And basically you're taking money out of Bezos. That's what I saw somewhere. So subscriber badge guidelines on Twitch community guidelines, blah, 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 apply to subscriber badge in bodies. Okay, from the community guidelines, these guidelines fall under a common sense philosophy, apply for the content. Specific content prohibited in batches makes sense. Subscriber batch requirement must upload an image between these. Okay, the image must be uploaded in a PNG format. Must have a transparent background. File cannot exceed 25 KB. Okay, that's fine. So when you go here, subscriber batches, let's do that. Okay, 1 year, 2 years, 3 year, 4 year. Base. Okay, batch player. So first let's create batches, then we'll go. Okay, so how to create Perplexity? Awesome. And I got Stimulus is online, so that'll be fun. If he joins, he will see. So let me go to spaces and streaming. What I am my streamer on Twitch. I have certain driver and I plan to make batches to thank them for their support. What are some secrets to create batches? Okay, let's see how much AI can help us with these things, right? This is fun though, like chatting through Discord was fun. Creating Twitch sub patches is a great way to thank your subscribers. Basically, mentioning Canva. Okay. Create a custom design in square dimensions, 500 pixel by 500. Use Element Staff to find icons, logos, and stuff. That's suitable for patches. Trello. Similar to Canva. Okay. Emojis creator. Charge it not per patch. It's worth noting for its ease of use. Okay. And what about Google? What it is? Switch the patches here. So patches maker for Twitch, YouTube, and stuff. Okay. I have heard about this a lot. Okay. Should I look into this? Okay, let's sign up and see. Maybe. Let's see how this one is. I've heard about this old one, old 3D, a lot in so many YouTube videos by streamers. Okay, don't miss out. Download the Pro desktop app with an intro, but it will help me stream inside Ruby Studio and make your life easier. Okay, never mind. I don't want that. Choose one of the three. Then swag as well. I don't want any of these. Okay, whatever. Let's select. No. Okay, whatever. Enter up to 3 social media channels. I will alerts, followers, holy. That's like so much. Stimulus, hey brother, how you doing? We are working today. The interesting one. Sorry, I could not do during the day. I just had a crash. My body was like, boom, slept. Dr. Heath, good morning. Oh, lovely event. Lovely event. I will be posting. I took some pictures from there was the photographer. I will send some pictures in the Discord actually. Once I have them, it will be very, very nice. It will be fun. It was so interesting. My whole face could you could not recognize. If you like saw this face with like whole colors, you could not find it. It was actually so amazing. I danced for like 3 hours constantly. I love Holi, man. Holi is my favorite, top favorite level thing. It's just amazing in itself. Emojis and more. Sub emojis. Okay, let's go here. What do we have? GGs. All these are the emojis. So, but I want to like have a, one thing I want to do is if let's say think this become bigger, I want to have this like a thank you event with all the people. We can have Holi. It'll be so fun. Like let's say one event for just North America, one for Europe, one for India, Asia. That'll be so fun. Emotions. Here, banners. What is a good? Do you guys know a good one for sub batches? Create your own. Okay, let's see. Batch maker. Which is a good design? Let's see. What will be a good design? I think this one will be nice. I like this one. But I want to have change style. This is a good style, right? This one or anything you guys see. This is 1, 2, 3. What do you guys think? Which will be a good one? I feel like this is a good one. I like it. And let's say for starters, let's check one here. These are so small. Mm, I'm actually curious. Which will be a good one? Which will be a good one? So I think get one I like. Get. This is get, I guess. Bro, I'm so confused. There's so many. There are so many. What do you guys think? Like, first one I will say is 6. Wait, no. 6. You know why first 6 one? Because stimulus game like 6. Maybe searches some terms for that interest you. Okay. So first one will be 6 because like it's all about like first time you gave me 6 of these, so I'm going to remember that. So first one will be that. Basically a tribute to you, boss. A tribute to you. And we can hang in the chat too. Like this is, if you want, like we can talk in the general chat too. Anything in your clutter that represents 6? You. Well, I can have 5 because stimulus 5, right? Stimulus basically is S, but what one should I do? Yeah, it is you. It is you. The 6th one. Remember? The first time like you gave 6 sums. So that will be you. So that will be you. 100%. I did give 5 first. You did, but you did 5 gift and 1 of yours. So technically 6. So which one do you want? 5 or 6? Whichever you like, I will put that. I would love to put that. So it will remind me always. Every time somebody gets it, it won't matter to me. Okay. Sounds good. So I'll do 6. That will remind me. Second would be let's do hacking. Just happy to see you happy and oh, thank you so much, man. I love you so much. I love you so much. There's no way I can. Well, okay, second will be uh, this one, maybe. Third will be okay. Third will be I like the third one like this. Let's go on the fourth one. I think the color scheme changing the icons the same looks. I think the color schema changing and icons the same looks the cleanest. Find icon you really like, then choose the colors. Oh, okay. I see. So just one and just change the colors. But then I think like this one is fun then. That's a good call based on the color to that. How about this? What is this? You think this is a good one? I think this one that I will pick. I'll pick this one. Or oh yeah, spy. This is it. This is it then. I'll put spies for all. Only thing with colors is people can more easily recognize where people are at. Yeah. Makes sense. So basically, hmm. So color wise, I think like a good color will be just a nice purple, the same as holy. No. Okay, I can't change the color of icons. Oh, sorry, I mean like the patches. Those are steady. Change style. So maybe then it will be, let's see. Maybe make the, oh, okay. Sounds good. I think that's a good call. Yeah. Oh, it restarted. Well, it's all good. So my brand color, let me find my image. Or I can have it at here. Which I had the same color as them. So I can go in the turn image in new tab, select color wise, this color. What is this color? 57. Doesn't show properly. Copied. Text. What is this? No. HSL to hex. Only thing color is maybe in AI. Oh, okay, yeah. No, full of visiting. Okay, got it. Thank you, boss. So I'll put the hex here. Nope, go back. Here, here. Okay, cool. So and I can't change the back color. That's the problem, I feel. Change style, select color. I can't change the back side of the colors or the styles, which is, oh, I wish I could. Let's see. Mm, maybe just one, let's see. Change color. See? Hmm. Then just put a number 6 in it. No. Hmm. No. I can't change the back. Could match the template background color. Oh, white? I think don't worry about the 6 to keep it consistent. Oh, I see. Hmm. I'm just thinking. So with the patches, right? We want like different, same thing, just different colors. That's what you're saying, right? Just different colors, based on like how many subs or like for how long this subs has been and all those. So find a background patch and color scheme where you like, then find an icon for the middle of it that you are happy with and match the icon color to the background patch. Okay. So basically background patch and color schema that you like. Okay. So let's go. Come on. So which patch maker? Mm, got it. So there's this one too. Let's see. Motifs creator. Create your patch. So let's say I like This one. Is it even icons? Let's say I like uh sunglasses. Because I've always wear sunglasses. Big icon. Yeah, sure. So let's say uh they call them batches too. So just find a background color combo you like. Add your icon to it, then matched. Yeah. Uh, so only this one is free. So maybe free sub batches maker. And maybe I can just keep using Canva. So let's see. Canva, Twitch, sub, patches, maker. Make a Twitch emoji? No. Make the basically a badge is like this. Okay, cool. Okay. Designs. So I can have a good design would be maybe such, let's say, king. Uh, or check Discord. Okay. Twitch ecosystem complete list. Thank you. Let's look at this. Okay. Twitch ecosystem, a comprehensive list of resources around Twitch platforms, so Twitch TV, Twitch blogger, Twitch for developers, communities, related subreddits on Twitch, hashtags, tools, multiple Twitch streams at one time. Mm-hmm. Yeah. This holy, what is up with this? This looks very bad. Dude, my system just got really badly handled. Okay, you can navigate the individual categories. Chat client, chatbot, and adding emojis tools. So maybe I can discuss where to stop. Okay, no. Okay, let's see. If there's nobody here, I can just drop this. Get part of here. And there's this Twitch. These words, you should look into. I'll make a note. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you, boss. Never miss a movement, process, developer environment setup is this. Wait, what? Oh, about like Twitch resources recommendation system. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, interesting stuff. So you are basically taking a whole interesting. Okay. You know, interesting things to look into. So, sample which served batches. Oh, Pokemon. Let's have Pokemons, basically. Pokeballs. Yeah, it's see. So 3 ones. Let's see. Price 0 0. No, nothing for price. Worst price. Hmm. I'll buy them for you and we can chat about what we want to get. No, don't buy it. Please don't buy it. No, 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 no. No, please don't buy it. No, no, no. Please. Get something custom you can keep. Hmm. Sure. I think then, how about this? Like, sure, but please, yeah, don't buy it. So, okay, nice. This is there. These emojis, okay. Nice. But there should be, because like I feel like there will be three, all these, there can be 3 ones, Pokeball match. Twitch Bash, or three Twitch Bash Pokeballs. You can find 3 Pokeball themed Twitch Bashes, like it's giving visuals of in various designs. Let's see, don't have those right now. 3 Twitch Bashes. Okay, there's these Pokeballs. Twitch Bashes.com. Okay. Uh, I don't want that. Okay, let's see. Pre-made Twitch Bashes, the biggest collection of Twitch Bashes. Okay. Stop now. Let's go. Pokeballs. Some free options. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's just see some free ones. So, and this was the guitar, military. Okay, wolves, elephant, mushroom. Okay, so I think main page had some. Okay, let's see. Twitch emojis, free ghost emojis, applying ones. Nice. Okay, I think sub batch is okay. Sub batches, okay. Ooh, I like this one. Gaming related. Nice. I think just you can use one of these. Okay. Some batches that I think I will just use this one, gaming related one. Oh, never mind, it's 10 bucks. I'll just use this one then. 3 quite good batches. What's good for now, right? Getting started type thing, and we can just look add to cart quickly. Yeah. Anime batches, sub batches, 3D sub batches. Just these. All and sub batches or Twitch sub batches. Yeah. And I think this is more than enough. Please set up here. Yeah. Oh, was fun. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, I like that. I like that with the black background. I like that. I'll take this one, I guess. Wolf I like. Wolf I like. Have you played the game Wolf 3D? Like that's actually beautiful. Have you played Wolfenstein? Einstein. Have you played this game? This was like my first computer game ever. One. Have you played this one? I studied Wolf Dog Behavior to oh low. It was a hacker feel. Yeah, it feel like that. Yeah, 100%. This was my first ever computer game, man. Like I'll remember. It was on my uncle's computer. I want to play this any day, all day. Such a top level game. So we got let's just download this one. Check out. Let's just check out right now. Email address. Okay, I'll go like this. My gaming mostly started when I played Nintendo 64. Nice, nice, nice. The OG stuffs, man. The OG stuffs. Let's put this here one quickly. Ocarina of Time, hence my dog being named Link and the business name Missing Link. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if okay. Well, I think this is good. So I have the patches now. 1 second, I'll start sharing my screen again. Just one which extract all. Listen, I want to so many fun games, man. So like nowadays games are good, but like those games which we used to play like as OGs, those OG games are interesting. And have you seen the Nintendo like latest Switch 2 things that's happening? Like that created so many people, made so many people angry. It's like it itself is worth like around $700. Let's see a return to more. Yeah, yeah. And I would say like a bunch of these games, especially with the Nintendo 2, like games are like $100 and $120 a single one of them. Crazy, crazy that they're asking that. Okay, now things are good. Let me share my screen again. Badges. So one, two, oh, maybe a bigger one version. No, I think this is how they will be small. So there's this. I like that. This is actually awesome. Works perfect. So I can do is Twitch, go to monetization dashboard, subscription section, subscription batches, manage batches. Okay. Monetization. You can just read script. Subscriptions, subscribers, batches. Base is this. Okay. Base. Okay. Try and have these sub batches. Yeah, I think this is 18 one. This is 36. That's all awesome. Like it did already that. I love that. This is a great resource. Thank you. Upload batch and saving these in your container. Yeah. Now this is 2 months. Oh, they have flares. Nice. And then let's go to month 2. 18. I love the naming convention they have done. So easy. When we have a sure. Sure. Sounds good, boss. Just stimulus file. STI. I. 'I. That's good, right? Now you got it. Yes. I look into some optimization stuff. I have been a more clear stuff with it. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 100%. Upload batch. Oh, the 2-month one I didn't upload. Two. Thank you so much though for all the help. It's nice. How was your Saturday though? Oh, thank you, man. Nice. Thank you. I really wish this becomes a very interesting, journey and like this becomes big. So that'll be, and I will keep trying. When I started, interesting thing I learned when I started, I was like, I'll just start one thing, and the second thing was like with this whole idea that if I want to make it a career, I will give it same amount of time. I did my degree, 4 years. I'll be more than happy if things go well or no. Like right now, it's going so well. Last time I had a Twitch channel. Pretty chill. Had an old client stop by completely out of nowhere. He felt the need to stop by at my house, walking kilometers from home in a mental state, to talk for a few hours. He ended up feeling much better. His wife picked him up, so ran over time. Yeah, you are a pretty nice guy. I think everybody loves chatting with you. It's amazing those encounters when people are going through stuff and you just don't know whose life you just by chatting are saving or like changing. And I'm happy to hear that. Upload 3 different sizes of each of these batch flare. These flares will be overlaid on your existing batches. Okay. Yes. Um, he's never been here. He only did business related stuff for a few months or a few years ago. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I think he was like just you were the guy. Yeah, yeah, 100%. It's a good thing that happened. What is the sponsorship today? Oh yeah, I did sign up for this. Interesting. So I have batches now. So that's amazing. So so when let's say somebody else does it, can you see your batch? There's no batch here. This is this is moderator one. This is founder, current hype train conductor. Interesting. Hmm. So the batch will come, I think, the next time when it starts. Users in chat. On users, okay. Huh. I thought it will start coming. I think it will come from the next one, right? The good part is you got that one thing done. So that's amazing. I would love to have a Pokemon one. So I'll keep that. So batches is good. What else do we need then? Let's see. Track attention, being without being a clickbait. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have to look into this. That's one more thing. Yeah. Prevent autofills. I did this one, so this one is done. This one is done. I did prevent it. I did all that stuff. Hotkey. Let's look into that. But is there anything hotkey fairly important? Yes, yes, yes. So let's do the hotkey. Yeah. So the hotkey we wanted to include this. Right now, this. History, publicity. So Yeah. Which between scenes is obvious. Assign individual artist settings hotkey in OBS scroll. Okay. Press desired key. I think F1, F2 is a good one. Yeah. So I think that I can do that. Actually, that will be way much better. So there is starting. I will rename it to F. We'll have it as F1 starting F1 with F1 to remind me it is a F1 key. Then webcam 1 will be F2. So it will be easy to switch. Main screen share with the screen share with the webcam. With webcam. Then I will create another one, duplicate without webcam. And then I will name it as F4. Makes my life easy if I do that way. I think naming convention, like some coding I learned, has made my life so much easier. Here I will do as pause with S5 and ending with F6. Evening F6. Okay. And let's see the hotkeys. In the settings, we will have hotkeys. Let's go. So streaming, stop recording, buffer, ending. So we have starting, ending F6, full screen pause. Okay. So if you have switched to switch to the scene, F1. This is F1. Screen without webcam, F4. F3. F5. F6. Nothing else is left, right? Apply. Okay. So if I do F2, wait, if I have to enter, I'm here, hotkeys, switch, F1, what is F2? Where is F2? F2, F1, F2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, apply. Okay. So F1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3 and 4 are switching. Oh, because of the webcam. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. Okay. Awesome. We did it. Nice. I'll just, if I'm in studio mode, F2, 3. Okay. Nice. So let's say I can just remove the studio code and then do those stuff. So way much easier. In chat here, chat, I can do this. Okay, awesome. So we did that. That's awesome. Got that thing done too. And then this one maybe print later hotkey. I'll just make this font size. That's the patches. Emojis is one thing. There is one use emojis. Emojis can be anytime in my opinion. Yeah. We touched on hacking real stuff. So I think Wireshark, once we start doing Wireshark, you can look into that. later. Hmm, Timeouts they last long if there's nothing pushing it off the screen. Maybe just a timeout time. Yeah. So what I'm using for these? I forgot. So here I'm using chat. Yeah. So where it is getting some overlays, sound alerts. Okay. So let's go to sound alerts. Sound alerts. Dashboard. Let's go to my dashboard. Create scenes. Oh yeah, I was looking for these chat. Interesting one. Overlay. I think for all these, I can just have a timer. Okay. Show batches. Font size. Is this the one? Can you type something? I want to see if this is the one. Okay, this is the one. Oh wow, this one is way big. How did it game on if it's not this one? Oh, this is because I thought this was free collection of sounds. Yeah, I thought this was like because on the screen, but I realized it was I was sharing the text up, and that's what it's showing. I was so confused for a second. Uh, I'm learning. I think I'm still learning in this case. Two-way movements, yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, like no matter what, it's just like this. My brain sometimes it just it's funny. Well, three, but yeah, low. Yeah, yeah. It is what it is, I guess. So emulate chat. Oh, I can emulate too. Does it work like that? No. Oh, you have your poker emulator. Nice. All of it. I want animation duration. Okay, this is there. So how good are you? Like poker, it's all about maths, right? Like I was looking at Casino Royale clips just for poker. Like it's interesting and like it's so much maths involved. Do you think like that way? Like how you guys are just playing like a chill mode stuff? Uh, down alerts that open and sound alerts to the tool create access dashboard. So chat overlay guide. I'll just so set up chat and out and open it. To set up a timeout and overlay channel, you'll need to access on the dashboard, new scene, chat box widget, customize chat box, and say, so where's the customization? Interesting. So if you know the basics, it is not really math heavy. You just have to learn the fundamentals like standard betting and raising sizes. What hands have what value based on the actions and your position within the hand. Balancing, putting more money is in with the odds of your cards. I mean, what odds cost greater than what ratio? Oh, okay. Then some psychology and tactics stuff. So interesting. So you see, there's a couple of things there. I see. Interesting stuff, interesting stuff. City height. So how long ago you learned this? Like animation duration, if I do this. Not worth the time invested, in my opinion. When the topic comes up, I recommend people away for it. Okay, sounds good. Paying for probably close 20 years. Wow. My age is 25, 26 now. Wow. 20 years. Wow. Custom animation. That's crazy. But full time, but part time casual most of those years. Oh, so you were a poker full time player? That's amazing. Mostly all online, but some games in person. Ah, online stuff. Interest. Have you? Oh, let me recommend you something interesting. What was the name? I forgot the name. Okay. Miko. Have a look at this one. A very interesting. If you're into poker and like how online and all those games happen, have a look at this episode by Darknet Diaries. You will love to hear this one. Some yeah. This is a very interesting one. Specialization of their weekly major tournament. So instead of prize pool being a total of, oh wow, 8 million. 8 million. Wow. Yeah. I can put it in the Discord too. Wow, 8 million. Dang it. That's amazing. They are guaranteeing 1 million to first, but there will be probably like 10K plus people. Have you won like couple millions ever, like with poker and stuff? That's crazy. I'll snooze the ads so you guys don't see the ads. That's crazy. That's crazy. Holy. 8 million. 8 million. Holy. If I get like even 1 million, I'm just putting it in like a good, what's it called? Good stock, which can give me dividends. And I'm just leaving my job and going full on Twitch mode, hacking and just doing it. And maybe doing helping free education, trying to set up a website with free education on hacking. That'll be fun. That will be like what I will do easily. Do you think 1 million is enough? So I played games that average anything from 10 to 250 per tournament. But the thing is I could play upwards of 12 at the same time. So each day I was investing upwards of 500. So on a bad day, you not only don't make money, you lose money. My return of investment was safely high, around 30% over the years. Oh wow. Better than stock market then. That's crazy. Oh, now it shows patches? No, it doesn't. Yes. Oh, cool. After X seconds. So I think this is what we were looking for. So can you do a message now? I want to see. So if I do emulate text messages, 50 seconds is a good one. The longest one. So after 60 seconds, this will go. Now even playing perfect poker, your odds of getting top three of 1,000 player due to the aggressive payout structure, naturally and mind breaking. Oh wow. Wow. Top three out of thousands of players. That's crazy. And like how mentally tiring it would be, right? In this case, it's crazy. That's crazy. So it would be like first will be 10K, second 7K, third 2K of thousand of, yeah. Holy. After third, after like going against 1,000 people and 2K, that's crazy. Most tournaments will take 8 to 10 hours, but these big ones like we today run for multiple days. Ah, yeah. So you get a few spots different at the end is insane. Wow. So it's like yeah, because I got third in one of the 22K USD, but first was like 50K. Crazy. I'm just curious. I want to, go and just see it. At this point, I just want to go and see how the game is like in person. 30 minutes of playing for 10 hour tournament. Oh, for an extra 13 minutes of playing a 10 hour tournament. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. You get first and make an extra 20K. Yeah. I can't believe like you just wake up with like 50K in one day. That's like people's salary, right? Like yearly salary on average persons. Do you get taxed on it? That's crazy. Let me set this up like wait. Okay. So now I think I just like lost what I was doing for a second after hearing that. It is not my primary income I'm supposed to. So of course it is. Then yeah, if it was your primary income, yeah, yeah, yeah. Some people like that guy who always like are he's like with so many girls, paying so many girls. He's always like doing those. He won like a $80 million one, right? Something Don something. His name is. I don't even remember. That's amazing how crazy things are. And like 50K. That's how much is that in Indian rupees? That's like 22.5 million rupees. And that's like 5 years of income, I think, or for an average IT guy. Amazing. Holy. But the worst part is India taxes are like just crazy right now. India's tax is crazy. I mostly played lower entry cost but higher volume of gains, so more gains offsets the variance. Ah, interesting. So you put like a lot of thought, like how to play. That's good though. That's crazy good. That's crazy good. The best example, if we play a single game of 1v1, you could easily win by hitting the right hand. But if we play 100 game, I would win like 90%. Oh, because with 1v1, it's more like a luck. But when you play 100 games, because you know the game of it better, your odds increases. Huh. Your edge is higher. Okay. That's interesting to know. And that's like interesting to think about it, the way you mentioned. Mhm. I'm just waiting for this to see if this one works properly. I think this way, it's very weird to see myself in this way. No, I just So it's gambling, but not really. Gambling isn't the same way as investing in. Yeah, I would say a majority of the people in stock market are just basically gambling because I've talked to a bunch of people. Now, if you are go throwing money, yeah, 100%. Like right now, if you see right, the market, the whole market has crashed to another level. Like it has crashed. Now there are two rules of the game. Either there's a recession happening, and now here's the thing: a lot of people would have taken their money out and they would not invest ever. Now, if you I also did poker for 2 hours. Oh, nice, great, nice. Like here's the thing, and with the stock market, right? Like right now, people would have money just invested for now, for example, in Nvidia and all these because they thought Nvidia is like the AI winner. It might still is, right? But the problem is people would never invest now, which in my opinion is stupid because this is a great time either, and you don't have to go all in. You have to use in stock market, you have to look which product you like to use and how to do those. Like that's how I do it. Like Intel, I understand I hate this company. Intel I hate. Nvidia is still a good company. They are doing good compared to Cisco. What Cisco made mistake, Nvidia won't have those mistakes. I'm not making those mistakes. Apple is great. Apple is Apple parent here. Because of Trump, it can go down, but not this down from 125 to just half value. It's great. But I agree. People are basically in stock market are gambling. So then gambling technically has better odds. There is one I've heard of a particular one called Texas related one. How which is like is that a have you heard of that? Yeah, I gotta look into the investing soon. But I have an opportunity coming up with the next 6 months or so. Oh, okay. So my if you want to know my investing advice, right? First is yourself, which you have already done, in my opinion. Second is like if you open uh like your fridge or just look around your house and keep a note of like things you cannot live without. For example, some people cannot live without soda and a particular type of soda, whether it's Pepsi or Coca-Cola, and they always invest in that. Mine, I invested in Coca-Cola when I think it was at 15. It was at 45 around that time, and now it's at 70. 2, 3 years back. But the reason I invested in Coca-Cola because in India or even anywhere I go, majority of the people will always say, "Hey, can I have a Coke at the restaurant?" Hardly people say, "I want Pepsi." Everybody says, "I want Coke." That was like a mind triggering thing. Like for me, I have not seen many people. Some people do say Pepsi, but like very less people do that compared to just saying Coke, not even Coca-Cola, Coke. So that was a very interesting thing for my like I watched and I was like, Coca-Cola is a great brand then. Like people just love it. That's just my what I thought. And that's why I invested in Coca-Cola. Oh, and the chat says going, so that's good. But if you need any like advice on my side, like stocks I invest in, feel free to let me know. I can send you a private message with the things I do. But yeah, for me, I've been investing little by little, like 50, $100. I've taken some out recently, needed that for like tickets and stuff. But yeah. So what I did, timeout. So this one is done. I wish I had more money to invest. That's for sure. Maybe this Twitch growth. One thing I really want to do is like open schools. I don't want to even invest. I want to open free schools for people. That would be a really beautiful thing. I think I can. I would love to do. Just adopt a bunch of kids, open a school, give them food, give them love, and help them become better person. Like an orphanage, but like a better orphanage where people actually need lots of time limit. I think this. I think we are good for today in these cases. Do you want to go? Would be a tech inspired one. Yeah. Yeah, 100%. 100%. I want to give them my name. I want to give them my name like kids and just, do something for them. So that's my goal. Not that. Oh, I can't snooze anymore. But yeah, that's my goal. Do you want to learn, do you want to get into Python now? Like, you want to do some Python? I can teach you some Python, or you want to go into AI? Because I think majority are done. These, I think I have to look more. Oh, maybe we can decide. Oh, trying me. Oh, this has blue sides. Are we really good? Do what you want to do, and I'll pick up what I. Oh, awesome! Like, I was wondering, do you want me to teach you some Python? Like, you want like certain to get comfortable? There is a Python here in this module by scripting for pen testers. This is a good one. Python for pen testers and Python stuff. You learn a couple of things on coding. So we can do that on stream or another time when we meet up. Sure, like whichever you like. Or let's think about it. Let me think. If I'm teaching and you know basics of Python or not at all? Hey, it's me. Need some water. Others may just want to see you working away and teaching. You can ask 100%. Like, I think um you can I think with questions, right? Like other people might have the same questions. So I'll ask about stuff and still learn. Okay, so let's start with Python in a fun way. So, couple of things I can teach you with Python. First thing is like setting up the environment, or I can look into how to say it. Let me think. Learning Python here. Learn Python. So on Dev Daily, I looked at some of let's see crash course playlist. What is a gamified way of learning Python? Gamified version. So learn Python the fun way, learn by doing, code infinity. Okay, let's see. Coding game. I think that's the one I heard. There's one Advent of Core I've heard too, and coding game. So let's look into that. Okay. Coding game programming challenges to code better. Start playing. Okay, so this is Python. That is Python. Or what I can do, I can teach you something interesting. So let's do some lead code. I will code. There are so many apps for learning tech. Yeah, it's crazy. It's great. And even tech education is one of the biggest industry and most cash cow industry. It's the most fun. That's why everybody wants to like go into this and want to create. But I think I will teach you Python by coding. That will be fun. Let me do F2. F2. One sec. I did the don't set out this way. Set up to new. I don't know why I removed all these like auto fill, but still it like fills up for some reason. I hate it. Okay, password. Okay, let's do this for now. There's 3, I think. Yeah. So let's go into some lead code. So lead code is the place where, you will get programming questions and you can just start working and building stuff. No, sorry, not building, like just solve these. These are the ones you will see. So I want to start with like easy ones so I can explain you how. Do some, I think it's a pretty easy one, acceptance rate. Okay. So I will say easy list. I think, yeah, that's do some is the one, I guess, for us. You can just select Python 3 here. Select Python 3 always. And I will code in my VS Code anyway. So here is the question. Given an array of integers, right, nums, and an integer target, return indexes of two numbers such that they end up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in this. So let's say we have num 2, 7, 11, 15, target is 9. So we want to return 0 and 1. Okay. So I will just explain what exactly I will do and let's build things properly. So if we have, right, a array of numbers A, B, C, D, and E, and we want to make a number X equal to X, we have to pick what two indexes out of these will, like, let's say if it was this one, B or D, that make up to this together, then we have to return 1 and 3. So let's think of how we will do it. First is basically, don't say, and we are given already the function name, the one they want. Hopefully this is a better way, like you learn something from this way. So we have nums and we have target. One thing we have to do simply is, the way I would do in real life is go on the first, go on the first one, go on the first x minus a equals to, let's say, y. Find if y is available. If it is, great. I will return 0 and whatever. If it is not, I will not even go to 0. I'll take it 1. Then it will be x minus v equals, let's say, this was y1. This will be y2. And I want to see if y2 is available in 2, 3, 5, not even 1. I don't want to check this. Okay. So let's write it down. For ith in nums, right? Because we'll go over nums array, right? We'll go over this. I will write it in English. Go over each number in nums array. Hopefully this helps you build like some ideology go over each number in nums array. Get y, which is equal to x minus nums at I, and then check if y is in nums I plus. Why I plus? Because I know there is always going to be one pair, right? It's given in the question that it has to be a pair. It cannot be like, let's say a question is a number is target number is 10 and the first number is 5. So 5 and 5 both work, so won't be there. So let's do that. And now for here, let's go for I in nums. Y equals x minus or target minus nums. I, whatever is nums, right? For, I want to start with for I in range. Range is a function that will say, okay, let's say if I give range, I will give like number m and n, it will go and to I in range. Oh, really bad. So it will say I, let's say in range. So it will say it will go from m to n minus 1, right? M plus 1, and m plus 2, and all those. That's how it will go. And then it will be, let's say, n will be basically I plus 1. Because I don't want to go to the same number I'm already at, like A or the first one. I want to go to second. Nums dot length or size. I don't know. Whichever one. And it goes to the maximum, like whatever is the maximum length of nums is. If y equals nums, or not I, sorry, j. J return I comma j. I think this will do the job. Let's see. Let's see if I'm an idiot. Do you understand what I'm doing? Do you understand? I get an idea a little bit. Okay. And run this. Okay. One sec. I have to verify my email. Okay, I verified it. Let me close my email. Okay. I don't even know the basic language or structure of it. I mean, if you spell it out, I can make sense, but within the coding, it's too. Oh, okay, I see. Sounds good. At least, like, what I will do, I will try to get you the idea of what I'm doing, and then, like in English, I'll try to explain. I think with Python, we can do. But this is like one of the ways I learn. Like, I just write stuff. Object has no attribute size, so it will be length. Just do your thing and explain what you want as we go. Okay, sounds good, boss. Length of an array. Okay, you do len. Okay. In the end, or a function. Okay. 2, 7, 11, 15. Index of range I. Oh, range, I'll give this as a range too. And if you don't give the first number, it starts from 0. Okay, it worked for us. Let's see if submit and if this will work. Okay, it worked. Let's go. 63 test cases passed. My solution 0.9 used is my solution. Beats 30% of the solution. Not so good. Memory beats 87%. Memory is not we want to look at. We want to look at this. So one thing I can make it fast is length equals and it is like I have to make algorithm better. But let's just do hacking. I think hacking is my thing. Coding like this is not my GTH. I gave it the long name. I know exactly what you will like, and I think I would love it. Love it. Okay. See, so just I think lead code is one, but let's just go hacking. I think I'm a hacker guy. I just love hacking. And we'll do something. We'll actually do hacking. We won't do anything else. We'll do hacking. Let's look into any good one. Easy one. The city forgot to close its gate. You were high school billing. So let's just go with lookup. Let's go with lookup. And I will explain you as much as I can. And this one will be nice. So we have flags we have to find. So test your enumeration skills on this boot to root machine. Okay. Let's start at Kali. This will be fun. Okay. Oh, I have to start the machine too on the same time. I should have started it. That machine. So let's connect our VPN. Do you use a VirtualBox too for your hacking, or do you use just the same operating system? Kali? Hell yeah. Kali it is. I love Kali. I was going for Black Arts at one point. I was moving away from Kali, but for some reason I just went back. I like the Black Arts community. I talked to some people, weird people, but just came back. So let's look at this one, and you can follow with me. I can tell you a lot more stuff. So Lookup offers a treasure trove of learning opportunities for aspiring hackers. This intriguing, intriguing machine showcases various real-world vulnerabilities ranging from web application weaknesses to privilege escalation techniques. I don't know about privilege escalation, so probably will Google. Intru- intriguing. Okay, thank you. Intriguing techniques. Yes, that's how it's. By exploring and exploiting these vulnerabilities, thank you, Phil, hackers can sharpen their skills and gain invaluable experience in ethical hacking. It's foreign. Though, lookup hackers can master the art of reconnaissance, scanning, and enumeration to uncover hidden services and subdomains. They will learn how to exploit web application vulnerabilities, such as command injection, understand the significance of secure coding practices. This machine also challenges hackers to automate tasks, demonstrate the power of scripting in penetration testing. It is recommended to use your own virtual machine if you're experiencing problems visualizing the site. Okay, this will be fun. This will be fun. So let's go and let's get going in this baby. Okay, so we are connected. Let's see. Oh, I accidentally opened it. Lookup.thm. Service not available. So this ping dash C5. If I ping 64 DDL, this 5 received 0% packet loss. So it is up. We are able to connect. What I will do is first nmap sudo nmap. So we'll start with the nmap, and then I want to also look. This will take time, so I want to start like another thing. I think it will. I use GoBuster now. Or TurboStore. Which one had the or being? This stuff makes a little sense to me, so that's good. Nice. So with Nmap, right? I hope you know. I don't know if you know, but with Nmap, what it does, it will tell like how this works. Let me give you a good example. But give me 1 second. I want to see one thing. I think I use Google Buster. I started using Google Buster maybe. Which one was it? Just one. Go Buster does. Okay, this is the one. I touched on Nmap with the 101 course. Okay, good. Yes. And then it would be Buster. Yeah. So, but I think this system is not, the HTTP one is not even there. Yeah, the server is not working. Yeah. So Nmap, right? Like, basically it's touching all the services that are available. Yes, 3 minutes are remaining. And every single flag means something. Why I like to use T4, it says like basically 4 threads, so faster processing. All the ports, base and dash SS and SV, I forgot. One of them is like look for TCP ones. One is stealth mode, and other one I don't remember. So let's look at it. And I was about to do Dirbuster. Dirbuster is, let's say you have like, a website and there are so many pages on it. So quickly going over here. So let's say you have a website like facebook.com. In facebook.com, there what Dirtbuster do is like, after facebook.com, there's like accounts, admin. A lot of these ones give you so much information. So Dirtbuster actually goes over, enumerates over all these bunch of lists to see which one are available, so that increases your attack surface and helps you see, okay, which one I want to hit. Like you want to hit login, admin, and those ones, but not like, let's say, index.html if it doesn't have anything. You want to look all on those, but only hit the ones you want, or the ones that are juicy. But right now, the reason I didn't do it because I can't reach it from my browser at the website, so no point, right? If I did had it working on my Mozilla Firefox, I would have 100% like started my Dirtbuster at the same time I think my network, because not only because there is one is like website, just like Nmap, we have like different ports like port 22, port 80, all those. We are doing the same for the website, and we have 1 minute 37 seconds left remaining, and we would need enumeration ones, reconnaissance, scanning, and enumeration. So I believe because it says enumeration, the port, we might find a port for the web server, like the website, but it won't be like the normal one, like 80 or 443. It would be something unusual. And that's why we have to do the Nmap first. That's why I said scanning, then enumeration. My guess, I will say. But 46 seconds, let's go. Let's go. I love to go do some hacking at 4 in the morning. Crazy. The sun is already out on the. It might be. Okay, almost there. Almost there. 8 a.m. here. I need more caffeine soon. I need sleep. But I need some caffeine too. I have to go sleep. Okay, let's see. Port 22, port 80. Both of them have something. There is HTTP lookup.html. One sec. Here we have HTTP lookup and there is SSH. I don't want to get SSH till I have something. Okay. Sorry, that got a message from home. And okay. Why I'm not able to see anything? Then if it is like port 80 is there. Lookup dot Okay, so let's do this. As well, I have to make a call home. So I'll do quickly. Let's try to hack this fast. Apache operating system, look up. It's just getting those. Port is open. Why I'm not getting it? Index. And let me go to my HTXL file. That nothing is here, so it's already turning redirects to do not need. Port 22 is open, and there's this one, port 80 open. Actually, do not follow redirect to this. Do not follow redirect. So if I do curl on HTTP, so curl is like basically going to the instead of going to the website, this is what you can do. What? 10. Nothing is come. Or maybe I have to do more slides. Okay, what it says. Connected. This request completely sent off to not found. And this. Oh well. Okay. So nothing is found on this website, but I have only this open. Only this port is open. Yeah. Web application weaknesses by exploring robots.txt, maybe. Then if I go to oh, so nothing is going on this web page. And my mind is not going to work. That's too late. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm just thinking, should I get some sleep first? This. What is me? And what else I can try? Yeah, I'm thinking because my brain is not working right now. I'm not able to think what I should do. Probably let's do this. I'll take some bad time. I'll get some sleep, and I will come back today, and then we'll do that. Yeah, I did. I did. I did. But it was good, productive day. I was pretty happy. I was able to, complete certain things and stuff, like the patches and stuff. I don't see, like, why your batch of, like, your subscription batch is not coming. I don't know why. Maybe it might come in the next week. Who knows? Maybe. But let's do this. Let's do another stream. Yeah, maybe after relaunch. Yeah. So let's do this today, not tomorrow. I'll come up again during the evening and let's do some hacking if you are available. And yeah, I will get some sleep. I need something. I never thought my brain will shut down so bad. But yeah, let's do that. And yeah, I guess thank you so much. If the girlfriend baby are good, I can. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, 100%. But thank you so much for joining. It was interesting. And thank you for sharing all those resources. Now we have emojis, so sorry, patches. So I'm very happy. And soon emojis, like some fun ones. Until then, thank you so much for joining. And like, again, thank you so much for all the suggestions, links, and everything. Till then, thank you. Have a great day. All the best for your poker. A match, right? Hope you win thousands of dollars, and we'll party hard after that. And we have to meet, so we'll party hard once we meet. And thank you so much, and have a great day. All the best. And I'll be going today and tomorrow, so hopefully it's going. Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. And my song, yeah, I'll start send some. I love this one. I love sending this one, and this one is my favorite. Thank you, and see you tomorrow or tonight. Till then, like usual, a ritual, right? Three, two, one. Bye. Have a good one. Have a great day. I love you. Thank you so much.